I don't have. Look, it's so busy. Yeah, we are in the border of Croatia.
Croatia?
Yeah,
It's Croatia.
That's another country.
that's another country that we're going. We are here at the border, and my God, there's full pack. Say hi, Stella. Cheese. See, there's so many police. Could have. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are on the road because we're going to where, Layla? Going to Zagreb, Croatia.
Going to the playground.
We're going to the other country just to be in the playground. Okay. Okay. We'll be in Zagreb in a few minutes. So see you there, guys. We'll tour you around in Zagreb. We're going to Ikea and also to the Asian grocery where we can buy some soy sauce and other goodies that we usually use. You want to buy toys also? You don't have money. You don't have kuna. Their money here is kuna. And in Bosnia it's bam. I know marka. I wish I can buy all the stuff. There are only few Filipinos and Asian there in Bosnia, so I cannot open something like this. A few of us, so it's better we travel and then we buy bulk and then that's it.
Because it's 4 hours, but still you have fuel expenses, you have.
Yeah, this is her store, Asian Cash and Carry here in Zagreb. Yeah, because I have a vlog YouTube channel. So, so I am here. Maybe I can come here once a year and purchase my goodies. We don't have it in yeah. So come here, guys. If you are from Bosnia, she has a lot of things. There. There. Tercat. Oh, it's gone. It's broken. Oh, it's gone. It's broken. Come. It's gone. No more water. Where's the water? You see the water? Hi, Seka and Dada is gone. There's so many flowers, huh? We cannot go and touch the digger. Rina, can you stand and take me a picture of this beautiful red thingy thingy? Ah, it's nice. There's tags everywhere. But it's in scientific name?
Oh, what they call sage. Stella, dođi ovamo.
Look at this.
Dođi ovamo. Stella, ne.
The digger will be upset. The digger don't have there like because of the police. Let's go to the bridge. Uh-huh. Awesome. We are here at the Botanical Garden of Zagreb. Place is so nice. Wow, it's nice, amazing. Look at the, I don't know if you can see the color of the bridge, but it looks so great. We'll wait for Dada. You see the water. She said, I see the water. Ah, the turtles! Look, a fish and the tortoise.
We get the color.
Where's the turtle, Layla? Say hi!
Say the happy. That's the mama.
Yeah, that's the mother. That's the mama. That's the mama.
Mama turtle.
Nana, can you carry me?
Huh?
Can you carry me?
Can I carry you? Are you a big girl?
It's not a baby.
It's a baby turtle.
Baby turtle?
Oh, you want me to lift you up?
Yeah, I look for her here.
Oh, I see all the figs.
Why?
I think it's a fig leaf.
Yeah, it's a figs.
Can you carry me?
That little girl is so quick. This is the Zagreb train station. That one.
Dada.
Here, guys. There, Zagreb train station. That's their tram. Full pack of people. It's a tram, yeah. We came here again to eat KFC.
What, they do it yourself?
We're eating KFC and I bought my own rice. So they don't have rice, who cares? I am Filipino, I love to eat rice. Ikea! We are here, Ikea. Her bed? Yeah.
What Marla can do is like she can order. You're gonna check the low shelves.
Huh?
The low shelves, the small one.
nice chairs. And it will be amazing. Ah, nobody is looking. Na. Heaven.
Is there something we're looking for except for that thing?
Yeah, that furniture thingy, and then the.
Again?
We are now at the warehouse and we're going to locate the furniture that we're going to take because Ikea is do it your
There's a
own.
little seatbelt.
You have to take note of the numbers of the furnitures we're gonna take, go to the warehouse and get it. So we're going to the
You
warehouse.
can find.
It's how big the warehouse, and we are gonna get look and find for our furniture. And hold, Stella, hold. That's it for today, guys. We are done here in Croatia. We're done here in Ikea. Say bye-bye. We are done and we're going home.